Hi everyone, I'm retired meteorologist Pat Prokop. Today is Monday, June the 10th, and there is a threat for severe thunderstorms across a large portion of southeastern Georgia and southern South Carolina from now until 9 o'clock Monday evening. Now, the main threat associated with these thunderstorms will be the possibility of winds gusting up to around 70 miles per hour and large hail. Also, there's going to be heavy downpours associated with these thunderstorms and lightning strikes. So let's take a look at the satellite imagery. And there we are seeing thunderstorms actually exploding into a very warm, unstable air mass this afternoon with a front coming down from the north. And the storms are already beginning to generate lightning flash. Here we have the lightning detection system showing the thunderstorms developing with the lightning associated with that activity. So let's take a look at the regional radar summary coming out of the Charleston radar, which is located near Ridgeland, South Carolina at Grays in northern Jasper County. And there you can see already some thunderstorm warnings have been issued, but these thunderstorms are just developing right now, just starting to develop. And they're going to become very strong over the next several hours as they move into southeastern Georgia near the coastal areas and into southern South Carolina. Now let's take a look at the regional summary and radar. And there you can see the very strong thunderstorms moving in and around the Tatnall County area. This is now at 3:45 in the afternoon. We're seeing very strong thunderstorms moving into Tatnall County and into portions of the Liberty County and Bryan County at this time, approaching Chatham County. There's Bryan County there. That's Liberty County. Yeah. There we go. Thunderstorm warning now has been issued for the Hinesville area associated with these thunderstorms. And there you can see, if you look closely, that's the sea breeze front moving on in. That's going to enhance these thunderstorms as they progress eastward across toward the coastal counties. So be on the alert for that. These are going to produce some very strong updrafts and very strong thunderstorms. Matter of fact, we can look at the updrafts right now and looking at what's called the vertical integrated layer. And it shows some very strong cells associated with this system. Let me update this so it smooths it out. There you go. These are producing very heavy rainfalls and also the potential for some moderate to large size hail when you have updrafts like these showing up on the radar itself. So let's take a look once again at the regional map and looking at the forecast model. And it shows that the system will continue to develop throughout the afternoon hours. There it is during the afternoon and going into, let's say, 4 o'clock. It's about now. And then 5 o'clock, you can see a solid line of showers and thunderstorms associated with this front moving across portions of southeastern, southern South Carolina into upper portions of southeastern Georgia. And then as we progress into the evening hours, the thunderstorms move off the coast, but it looks like perhaps... Yeah, that's it. The thunderstorms move off the coast. One of the models was showing more thunderstorms developing later on this evening across southeastern Georgia and southern South Carolina. So we are going to see some very strong thunderstorms moving in and across the area. Here's the threats for today and this evening. For the wind damage, the threat is very high. We could see winds 60 to 70 miles per hour associated with any of these thunderstorms. And there's a low level chance for some tornado activity, but most of these are going to be straight line winds. And there's a very high probability for some small hail with a moderate probability for large hail. That's golf ball size or higher or larger. And lightning strikes, yeah, we're going to see a lot of lightning strikes associated with this. Anytime you have a warm, humid air mass like we have today, when you get thunderstorms developing and they get that high, they're going to be shooting off some lightning strikes across the area and very high probabilities of downpours, brief periods of heavy downpours, but the storms will be moving at a steady pace, so there won't be much flooding, but there could be some street flooding during the moments of the torrential downpours that could be associated with these thunderstorms. But there is that risk for the severe weather for today. Here you have it on my website, savannahpat.name. And there's going to be a chance for some additional showers and thunderstorms for most of this week, but only about a 30% chance until you get closer to the weekend, it goes up to 40% chance, and by Sunday, going up to 50% chance. And it looks like next week we might even see even a higher chance for some rain moving in across the area. Yeah, I know we need the rain, but we don't want the severe weather. But we have to deal with what we get and just be prepared, and be prepared for the possibility of some damaging winds associated with these thunderstorms. So thanks for watching, and stay safe.